Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we will be unboxing another haul from hongmall. It is an online beauty store that carries a lot of Asian beauty products. So again, I think I've ordered a bunch of masks because I have used up the last haul. And I think I got a lot of sunscreens too because the sun here is pretty strong and everyone needs to be protected from the UV, and there are several brands I have not tried. So here we go. Here's a box of items.
So this is the second time I am doing a hongmall unboxing. If you would like to know how to order from this website, please watch my previous video where I explain how to use the app to order from Canada.
So let's see. So these are pretty staple items, the Dr.jart moisturizing masks. I think I got 3 packs of these. So these came in a set. And then this is something I wanted to try. I believe this is a Korean brand. Yeah, this is a Korean brand and it is another moisturizing mask. This one, another moisturizing mask. I mean, my skin is combination skin. Some areas are pretty dry and some are pretty oily. This is another Korean brand and there's 5 sheets in here. So this is something I've never tried as well. So I'll let you know how it goes. So this is a sunblock. So this is VT, and this is the line Super Hyaluron, and I did get several items from this line, so including this mask. So this brand is also Korean, and this box has six pieces, and this let me see what this is. I think this is a toner. So, sunscreen, toner, and mask. So this is something I got last time as well. This is the hand and nail cream, which we love. And also, we got it again because we already used up our last haul. So this is highly recommended. So I got this soap because I thought it was really cute. It's a cat paw. It's a bathing soap and it is made out of jelly. I can see it is really cool. I don't know why there's like all these bubbles inside. See? And this is a hair mask. So I recently did perm my hair and I've dyed it many times. So my hair has become very dry and a lot of split ends. So I thought I'd try this hair mask to see if it would help. So this is another sunscreen. This brand is also Korean. So we'll be trying a lot of sunscreens for the summer. This is another VT. This is another line from VT. It's all made from Sika. And this is another sunscreen. This is a Biore sunscreen. And this is from Japan. This is quite easy to carry on in the purse. And this is a face wash. Labo Labo. This one I heard extremely good reviews on this on reducing pores. It is a great face wash from online reviews, but I will be trying this myself and I'll give you an update to let you know how it goes. And last but not least, I got this is kind of like a TENS machine. It's like a foot EMS transmitter. It basically has like some electricity or going through your feet. You're supposed to step on it and you can exercise on it, and it's made in Well, it's a Japanese brand, but apparently it's made in China. Made in China. Let's see. Design badge. It's charged by USB and it has 5-minute auto shut off and has 8 modes of intensity. So I can't wait to try this out. It looks pretty interesting. So you can put your arms on it, your hands, your feet, your legs, or you can sit on it. Pretty interesting. So I'm going to open up the soap to take a look inside. This brand PWU is made in China. I guess the box is kind of cute, so. Oh, it has a little baggie for you to put it in. Oh, it's like a jelly. How do you use this? So, you're supposed to put this inside this bag and hang it in the shower and it will foam. Interesting. I will try it later. Now, let's open this up. See what this mat looks like. Very interesting. Kind of looks like nail paper. This mat, and then it comes with a spray bottle. Not sure why. This is a charging cable and a hair tie. Let's see the manual. So that's it for now. So that's it for my haul today. Hope you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, leave in the comments below. And if you have any questions about any of the items I've shown in this haul today, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, it is a pretty big mask, nail, and facial. So this is the recap. Dr.Jart mask, BT mask, AHC mask, O.N. Young mask, 3 sunscreens. Oh, this is actually not a toner, this is a sun spray. A face wash, hand creams, body soap, hair mask, and a sunblock. So we have 5 samples.